Click on the link below to get price. The Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier is an impressive addition to any home, especially for those dealing with excess moisture in areas like basements or bathrooms. With a capacity to cover up to 1,000 square feet and effectively remove up to 21 pints of moisture daily, it stands out as a powerful device designed to create a healthier living environment. One of the most commendable features of this dehumidifier is its smart technology. The built-in humidity sensor makes it easy to monitor and maintain optimal humidity levels automatically. This feature is particularly helpful for homeowners who might not be diligent about adjusting settings, as it allows the dehumidifier to operate efficiently without constant supervision. The LED display is user-friendly, presenting real-time humidity levels and allowing for easy adjustments. The design is sleek and compact, making it suitable for various spaces without taking up too much room. The ability to set a timer enhances its functionality, allowing users to schedule operation during off-peak hours or when they are away, which can also lead to energy savings. The unit operates quietly, which is particularly advantageous in bedrooms or during quiet times, ensuring that it won't disrupt daily activities or sleep. Another highlight is the removable water tank, which makes maintenance straightforward. The tank can hold a significant amount of water, reducing the frequency of emptying it. Additionally, the device can be connected to a standard hose for continuous drainage, providing flexibility for users who prefer a hands-off approach. Overall, the Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier is an excellent investment for anyone struggling with humidity issues. Its combination of smart technology, efficient moisture removal, and user-friendly design makes it a standout choice for enhancing indoor air quality. Whether you're tackling dampness in a basement or bathroom, this dehumidifier offers a reliable solution that helps maintain a comfortable and healthy home environment.